Here I've got CROSSCALL Action-X3, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then scroll down, find and select the settings. Here it's time to locate battery icon. Here it is, let me open it, and now click on battery saver, where you can activate the battery saver by tapping on this switcher. So that's it. From now on, low power solution mode is on, it's active, and you can notice it by the red lines in the screen. Then you can switch off this mode simply by tapping on the same switcher, and now your battery saving mode has been deactivated. You can also set some rules, so if you will click on turn on automatically, you can pick 5 or 15% of the battery. So let me pick, for example, 15. And from now on, every time your battery is lower than 15%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. And this is how you can help improve your battery life. This is how you can use power saver in your device. You can also have a quick access to the battery saver through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and click on the battery icon. And here you will notice battery saver over here. And that's it. This is how you can do it quicker. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.